In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable AnyDesk on startup in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful fix if you don't want AnyDesk launching automatically every time your computer turns on. And it can help you keep startup programs under control and improve boot speed too. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Now let's get straight into it. First, press Ctrl, Shift, and S on your keyboard at the same time to open Task Manager. This is the fastest way to get there on Windows, and it gives you access to all the apps and processes running on your system. Once Task Manager opens, look over to the left side and click on the Startup Apps tab. You'll know you're in the right place because this section uses the speedometer icon, and it shows you all the programs that are set to start automatically when Windows boots up. Now take a look through the list and find AnyDesk. Depending on your system, it may be listed just as AnyDesk, so keep an eye out for that name. When you found it, right-click on AnyDesk to open the context menu. From there, simply select Disable. Once you do that, Windows will stop launching AnyDesk automatically at startup. That's it. The change takes effect right away, and the next time you restart your computer, AnyDesk should no longer open on its own. If you ever want to turn it back on later, you can follow the same steps and choose Enable instead. So to quickly recap, open Task Manager, go to Startup Apps, find AnyDesk, right-click it, and disable it. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.